have a little chin wag about gold, yeah? Gold right now, as we can see, is bounced off this level of support of this previous small accumulation here. Right, so we can see that that's where the resistance is, the new low. Price is moving up steady, creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? So you can see, if I just mark this, where's my pen? So you can see here's the low. Gold then creates a higher low, which then also goes up. This is the higher low created. Price pushes further, creating another new high. So we had this high, and this high, right? So a new higher low should be formed around here, right? Therefore, price should make a nice steady drop down into here, and then push up to take out this high, right? If this is going to be invalidated, price will cut below this low, creating a lower low, which will therefore be a change in behavior in price, therefore indicating that this is now resistance as well as this will now turn into resistance and then push price down below this level of support, maybe down into 3380 area, and then 3780 area, right? But we could see price find a higher low before that. But to be fair, this is still an untested area of support. Sorry. So naturally, I would be expecting gold to start making a tumble down. We've got this FVG here, so if price uses this level here, as you can see it's marked out, to push up, this could invalidate the whole setup. This setup would only be valid once gold closes below 4180. Right, so if gold stays above 4180, we can still understand that we are trading within this range. I don't know if you can see this, so I'll make it black for you. That's the level I was hinting at just a minute ago. Right, so if you go on the 4 hour now, you can see at this particular moment in time, gold is actually within this little range it's created for itself. Let's make that grey, within this little range it's created for itself. So if we now zoom out a bit on that 15-minute chart, we can get a more accurate understanding of this zone. Cool. Right, so gold's been faffing about here, taking out stops on the downside, taking out stops on the upside. As you can see, this was the beginning of the range, took that out again over here, stops forming over here, took those out, then pushed down for these stops, took those out. Right, so gold is right now consolidating, which is the most dangerous time for gold because that's when it just stops everyone out. Right, like just what's just happened here, that was a liquidation here. Did it manage to take the stops? No, so we might revisit this level later on. Okay, so right now, gold is bearish for me until we get above there, or we create a support if we go back down to the lower time frame. If we then end up creating a support here, let's see if we've done that already. Not yet. Cool. So I want gold to make its way down, giving us a nice level here. Make its way down into 4181, and then that would be a good area for buys. Or make its way up to 4200, which is also a nice key level, nice flat level. Make its way up there, give us something like this. Right, that would be ideal. Or if we make our way back down here, I'd want something like this to push up into here. Right, I don't want gold back below this level, or else we're going to end up seeing something bearish. Right, and I don't want gold to break above this level. I want to see price give us so you know what I mean? A nice breakdown like that. Right, so we'll see how that plays out. Obviously this is on a 1 minute time frame, so just a thought. But really and truly, the key level for me on gold, if we do get below 4180, I do see us pushing down into 4100, which would be real ideal for me to start getting some longs up there on that higher low to take out this high of 4370. You know what I'm saying? Or what we could have is gold consolidate this whole month between 4250 and 4180, which can easily happen. It can definitely happen, and that's a big range, to be fair. It's not a bad range. You wouldn't be complaining about trading such a range, right? But everything is lying on everything is standing on that 4180 level, right? So we're gonna see how that plays out. Obviously it's on Monday, so we're just gonna watch how the market plays out today, and then we'll see what happens tomorrow where we can get our opportunities in there. Alright, so we'll see how that plays out. I will be updating this as well. And yeah, that's breakdown number 2. I'm going to go into the next breakdown video will be a couple of cryptos, and then the last one for the week will be forex pairs, a few major pairs for you guys. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you learned, and I appreciate it. Oh yeah, always forget, hey, don't forget to hit like, comment, don't forget to hit like, hit a comment, drop a comment, and subscribe. Not enough of you are subscribed. I'd appreciate it, it will help my algorithm and all of that stuff. You feel me? Thank you. See you next time.